Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are highly welcome guys. So how are you doing and how is your day? Okay, so in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you a very simple remedy made with onion plus other very vital important ingredients that would help you to remove some stored fat, remove some excessive fat, remove some stomach fat and all of that. Yeah, look at y'all. Okay, so I can't stand up very straight right now, but it has actually been helping me a whole lot, and I want to actually reduce my weight gradually, not drastically, because I'm a mom and my baby still fits on me. Okay guys, so let me take you right into this video. Okay, without wasting any more time, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and let's talk at the comment section. I'm sure I'm gonna answer all of your questions. Okay, all right, let me take you right into this video. Okay guys, so for a rapid stomach fat reduction, we're going to be using some simple ingredients that would give us our results, which is burning some of those stubborn fats and melting it. Yeah, so we're going to be needing onion, and this is going to contribute in melting those fat cells, therefore leaving them shrink, and then the result is going to be so beautiful. Okay, so I'm actually going to be preparing it this way. Now there are two ways in which you can actually achieve this. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be showing you that the simple way and the other way. The other way is not that is actually hard, but it requires a little time. So this is what we're going to do, guys. So the first thing you're going to do is to chop the onion in any shape that you deem fits. Now onion is actually very good for the body, okay, especially when you even eat it raw. It's actually very helpful, but for this particular video we're not going to be eating it raw. So what we're going to do is that we're going to grab a pot, and then we are going to be putting in the chopped onion, and then also the next ingredient, which is actually very needed and very important for this, is ginger. Now ginger helps so much in flushing out toxins in the body, and it helps to remove belly fat. It helps for cold, cough, flu and catarrh. It helps in a lot of things for the body, guys. So we're going to be using it alongside with all of our ingredients to remove some stubborn fats. Yeah, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be peeling it. Now you can decide to scrape it, or you can just cut and peel just like I do sometimes. Yeah, now you don't actually need to use too much of the ginger. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is to clean it up, and then this is it. Yeah, just this quantity is actually enough. Yeah, so you don't actually need to use too much, except you're going to be storing it. Okay, if you're going to be storing it, then you can actually use all of the ginger. Okay, now it is ideal you cut it in smaller pieces, okay, so that it will actually boil quick and then the flavor would be removed. So we're equally going to be transferring it into the pot, and then also we're going to be needing to use some lemon. Lemon is citric in nature and it helps so much to build your body metabolism. It helps so much in removing belly fat, stomach fat, and general body weight. Now mixing it with this particular ingredient is going to help to flush out those stubborn excessive fats. Yeah, okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be cutting it and boiling it, or you can actually drink it raw, which is effective also. Okay, so just like I said, I'm going to be showing you that, and I'm equally going to be showing you how to use this particular one. Yeah, so what you do is that you cut it in pieces. Now before you actually put it in the pot, you would have to squeeze the juice out, just like I'm doing. Yeah, when you squeeze the juice, then you put in the zest, because the lemon zest is equally very important for your belly fat. Okay, so just like that, squeeze it in and drop it. Okay, okay, so after doing that, so this is our mixture. Now what you do is to grab a bowl of water, and then you put 2 glasses, 1 glasses. You can even put 2 liters, it depending on how much you want your tea to be. Okay, so now the next ingredient is this, and this is Lipton. This is Lipton tea. Okay, so it is ideal you actually use Lipton tea for this particular drink, okay, because it will help so much in removing fat. Now Lipton tea actually helps to cleanse the body so much, but if you don't have Lipton tea, you can actually use green tea, but I recommend you use Lipton tea because it's actually going to be more effective when it comes to this particular drink. Okay, so now we're going to go boil it for at least 3 to 5 minutes, or until it is boiled properly. Okay, very well. When it's boiled, we'll be back. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so this is our onion tea. Okay, so this is how it is. The color is so superb and amazing. And then what you're going to do is that we're going to leave it to cool. It has actually cooled a little, but it is ideal that you actually drink this warm. Okay, when you drink it warm, man, you're going to see the results. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grab my glass cup. And then I'm going to sieve it out into the glass. And this is actually the remaining. Now you can actually put in a whole lot of water and much ingredients, much onion and every other thing. Okay, and then you can store it. Okay, just you can sieve it out this way, or you can actually store it with the old stuff. When you want to drink it, you warm it again, let it be warm, and then you drink it. Now this tea has to be taken warm. Okay, so this is how it is. It is actually very healthy. And okay, I have to reduce a little. It is actually very healthy, and it will flush out your belly fat like magic. This is wonderful. Now the color is amazing and it is very effective. Now let me have a taste of this. Yeah, it actually does not really have any awful taste, but it has this onion flavor kind of taste. If you've actually tasted onion raw, but it doesn't like taste really raw, but this is actually very amazing and it's beautiful. Yeah, okay, so you drink this very early in the morning, every morning for at least 2 weeks, to see how effective this is going to be in your body. It's actually going to also help to reduce some excessive belly fat and also some excessive weight. Okay, this is amazing. This is also going to tell on your skin, because when you're clean from the inside, you are equally going to be clean from the outside. Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, you have to know that when you take this, you equally have to stay away from some very sugary food, soda and all, some of excessive taking of carbohydrate food and all of that. Okay, so that you are going to be seeing this result, and the result is going to be permanent. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you do love this video. I'm sure you did. All right, so don't forget to give me a like. Also leave your comments at the comment section. If you want, you can support your girl. Just share the video and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'll see you again. Bye guys.